what do you actually call this? A screw? Like a 9-in-1 screwdriver tool that's set to secure the black push button pouch. So where are we up to? Hey guys, it's your favourite YouTuber here, Lockie from Armours, and I'm back again today with my newest favourite product. It is the rugged utility knife and multi-tool. We're going to be unboxing this, we're going to be talking through it, I'm going to tell you my favourite parts about it, my initial thoughts when I unbox it, and a lot more. What I like to do when unboxing a new product is read the whole instructions on the back. So I'll read them to you guys. No, I won't. But I'll just give you the key features. So it's compact size, 11 centimeters. Perfect size. How was I holding before? So without actually seeing the product yet, I've seen its case and I'm already loving it. It's got a nice case. You can put your belt in that, carry it on the hip all day, and whenever you need it, you can use it. It's wrapped in plastic so you know it's brand new. Hasn't been used before. Ooh. It's got a really nice feel to it. And it's a very nice color, nice and shiny. And of course, Oz Armour written on it. Your screwdriver head. Perfect for a handyman like me. I use this all the time. And anything that need to be screwed, you've got your head here. And then what also comes in this package is the whole kit and caboodle. Pretty much every size screw that you'll ever need. So don't worry about getting a big toolkit, don't worry about anything. Carry this on your side. For example, I'll show you how that works. So if you say you need about a yay big screw, flathead, you simply grab this connector piece off, straight on the noggin, straight in, 2 clicks, and you're good. Works just like that. So anything that needs to be screwed, you can screw it. So this is my first feel on the secured grip. Screwing, stay in your hand. Using the utility blade, stay in your hand. And that's all due to the secured grip. Whether you need some spare tools when things go pear-shaped, or whether you're the ultimate handyman like myself, I've got the tool for you. It's the Oz Armour rugged utility knife and multi-tool set. It's like Optimus Prime cross Bumblebee. Transforms into anything you want. Get rid of any other toolbox you have that's taking up a bit of extra room. It's a bit old, you need an upgrade. It doesn't have a 9-piece tool set like this. Get rid of it. This is all you need. The Oz Armour rugged utility knife and multi-tool is now available on the Aussie Power Sports website. Head to www.aussiepowersports.com and upgrade your toolkit.